Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the Turbo John YouTube channel. I've got some super exciting news. We got enough subscribers to where YouTube is going to allow us to do a private members only section. Somewhere beside the subscription, you're going to see something that says join. And so when you press that join button, it's $4.99 a month. And what you will get is exclusive weekly live chats for just the members. I get a ton of emails. I try to get to a lot of them. Questions with people about their combinations. We're gonna go online. You're gonna get an exclusive link. Only the members are gonna be invited, and we're gonna talk about tech stuff. And everybody will be able to hear my answers. I'm a backwoods budget racer, so I like to do stuff on a budget. I'm not a professional. I've got some good advice though, most of the time I think, or I like to think I do. But if I don't know, then I'm gonna tell you, I don't know what's gonna be the best way, but this is the way I would do it. Less than $5 a month, you can hang out with me and with a bunch of other members. You're gonna be able to see other questions being answered. We're gonna be talking about everything. Suspension, launching a car, anything to do with drag racing, especially this Mustang back here, how to set yours up and how to make it go fast. I think it'll be a great time to interact with people that are watching my channel. Y'all be sure to hit that join button, talk about tech stuff.